Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review for all you audiophiles out there. We're diving into the Vanatoo Black Transparent 1 Encore Plus Near-Field Studio Monitor speakers. In this video, we'll cover every aspect of these speakers, from design and build quality to sound performance and connectivity options. So, if you're in the market for high-quality powered speakers, stick around because you're in for a treat. Let's start with the design and build quality of the Vanatoo Encore Plus speakers. These speakers are compact and sleek, designed to fit seamlessly into any room or setup. They feature a beautiful black finish and magnetic grills that cover the bright aluminum drivers. The build quality is top-notch, with 18mm thick wood panels ensuring durability and excellent acoustic performance. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: sound quality. The Vanatoo Encore Plus speakers deliver an impressive sound experience. With a 5.25-inch aluminum woofer and 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, they offer deep, accurate bass, clear mid-range, and sparkling highs. The 240 watts RMS of amplifier power ensures a detailed and impactful soundstage. Whether you're listening to music, gaming, or watching movies, these speakers bring out the best in your audio content. We'll do a sound test later in the video to let you hear the quality for yourself. Now, let's explore the connectivity options offered by the Vanatoo Encore Plus. These speakers are incredibly versatile in this regard. You can connect to them via Bluetooth 5.1, USB audio, Toslink optical, coax, and analog aux inputs. The automatic input switching feature makes it incredibly convenient. It knows what you're playing and switches to the active input automatically. Whether you want a wired or wireless connection, these speakers have you covered. The Vanatoo Encore Plus also comes with a handy remote control. With this remote, you can adjust volume, bass, treble, balance, and even the subwoofer output level. It's a great feature to have, especially when you want to fine-tune your audio experience from your favorite listening position. The remote also allows you to put the speakers into Bluetooth pairing mode quickly and easily. Before we move on to the sound test, let's take a look at what other users are saying about these speakers. The Vanatoo Encore Plus has received positive feedback, with users praising the quality, value, and sound performance. Many have mentioned that these speakers provide a balanced and comfortable sound, even considering their size and price. Overall, it seems like a great choice for those looking for high-quality powered speakers. Now, let's do a quick sound test to give you a taste of the audio quality these speakers offer. We'll play a variety of music genres and gaming sounds to showcase their versatility. And there you have it, our review of the Vanatoo Black Transparent 1 Encore Plus Near-Field Studio Monitor speakers. These speakers are a fantastic choice for audiophiles and anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup. With their sleek design, outstanding sound quality, and versatile connectivity options, they offer excellent value for the price. If you're interested in purchasing these speakers, you can find them on Amazon. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts about these speakers, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.